So this is GoPro Hero 13 Black, which is currently the most advanced camera that you can get from GoPro. But what's exactly new about it? Well, I got to be honest with you. It's like Hero 12 Black with some little improvements here and there. If you're hoping for some groundbreaking features, something that's gonna completely blow your mind, like then I'm gonna disappoint you. So it seems like this year around, GoPro Hero 13 Black is all about attaching different lenses to it, which can help you get that cinematic feel. If you are willing to experiment with it and get the most out of your camera, then this might be something for you. Though it might be some extra gear for you to carry around. So what exactly are these new lenses? Well, there are a couple of them and they all do a different type of job. As for example, a macro lens can help you record close-up shots, like recording a crab crawling around the beach. Perhaps you want to focus on the details, like you record when you put on your gloves, B-rolls of your equipment, etc. And it all comes with a slight depth of field with a blurry background. Depth. Yeah. So GoPro Hero 13 Black can also be used with official ND filters from GoPro. So if you want to have that cinematic feel, whether in your photos or videos, then these can help you out. And there are like 4 different filters in here from ND4 up to 32. So you can use these during sunset or broad daylight. The best part about it is that when you attach it to your camera, Hero 13 Black will automatically recognize it, whether it's ND4, 8, 16, etc. And it will adjust its settings for you, so it's simply easier to use. And then there's this ultra-wide lens mode that can help you capture better POV shots. It's literally the same like Max Lens Mode 2.0, they just call it differently to make more sales or something. The only real difference between them is that Ultra Lens Mode can be automatically detected by Hero 13 Black. And the same goes for all of the lenses that I just talked about. Whether you have ND filters, macro lens, ultra wide one or anamorphic lens, the Hero 13 Black will recognize it and adjust its settings. They just try to make it as simple as only possible so you don't have to change it yourself all the time, which is a huge time saver. Next, there's something like Anamorphic lens, which is quite interesting if you like recording cinematic shots. It basically records a 21:9 aspect ratio that you can see in Hollywood movies. I mean, those black bars at the top and bottom of your screen. You get like a wide-angle view with reduced distortion. Unfortunately, this lens is currently unavailable, so I cannot test it. All of these accessories that I got in here are optional. You don't have to buy it. Yet, if you're willing to pay for it, you'll have to buy it for like $460. Add GoPro Hero 13 to it and it gets pretty expensive for an action camera. Though you can save quite a bit of money if you have a GoPro subscription. But you may ask, Tomasz, what the hell is new about the camera itself? Because so far you've been talking only about the accessories for it. So is there anything new to it? Yes, in a way there are some, but honestly not so much. You see, with Hero 13 they introduced a new redesigned battery. It's around 1900 mAh battery, so it's slightly higher than GoPro 12 or 11. Yet I wouldn't expect some dramatic changes. It probably doesn't overheat as much and you can record for a bit longer. What's more, there's like a completely new way of charging your GoPro with a magnetic cable kit. You get like a special battery door and a magnetic cable to connect to it. You can use it to record time lapses or simply longer recording sessions. This way you won't run out of battery so fast and you won't have to change your battery so often. However, it doesn't come with the camera itself in the package, so you have to purchase it separately. But the good thing about it is that it's compatible with older camera models, such as GoPro 9, 10 or 11. There aren't any new other features that I could tell you more about, at least not something that I'm really excited about. It's like GoPro Hero 13 Black is basically the same as Hero 12, and I literally tried to compare it on official GoPro website and it's all the same. The only thing that I managed to find was like a burst slow-mo feature, which records 720p video in 400 frames per second for like 15 seconds. But who uses 720p video nowadays? So you may ask me what else? Well, they added like GPS, yeah, this is back, and Wi-Fi 6.0. And sadly, this is it. It seems like this year GoPro is all about some accessories that you can use with your camera, rather than some exciting new features. Yet it's a shame that you have to buy a completely new camera to use those accessories. So what if you have GoPro 12 or 11? Well, you can't use it. Perhaps you can only use the magnetic cable and that's it. So for me personally, GoPro Hero 13 Black is a bit disappointing and I feel like GoPro is slightly falling behind the competition. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for more content because I'm back to YouTube again, so I'll be creating some more videos for you. Thank you and see you once again.